I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and placing it on the main timeline. This saves time later. Select the exact segment and trim so the zoom targets only the important moment. Once done, tap the clip to open the layer controls. Make sure you can see the scale and position settings. You want timeline zoom around 1/2 for accurate frame adjustments, and enable overlays only if you plan to add text or a focus graphic. This reduces repositioning later. You now add keyframes to animate the zoom. That's where the how happens. Tap the clip, choose keyframe, and set the first keyframe with your base scale and position. This locks the starting view. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom peak, add another keyframe, then increase scale and nudge position to center the subject. Once done, choose an interpolation. Ease softens motion, linear keeps it steady, so you control both speed and feel automatically. Finish by previewing the full move at real time. You need to see both motion and subject framing. If the zoom feels too fast, move keyframes farther apart. If too slow, bring them closer. You can add subtle motion blur or feather the overlay to make the transition feel natural. If playback stutters, export the zoomed segment as an intermediate file or lower project resolution. This resolves rendering hiccups while keeping your final export crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.